17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, so on to 53. This is the first term. Second term, third term, so on. Last term. From the last, this is first term. Previous is second. Previous is third. That like, what is the 20th term from the last? Chivar nunchi 20th term evavutundi. Okay, first. What is the given sequence? 3, 8, 13, so on, 253. Okay. Last term, I mean not last term, nth term from the end. The formula is a plus n minus m into d. Here a is number of terms, m is last term from the end, nth term from the end, d is the common difference. Okay. Now here n is there, we don't know the value of n. First find the value of n. Okay, since this is the first term, a1 equals to how much? 3. Here a2 is 8, a3 is 13, an is 253. Here d equals to how much? a2 minus a1, that is 8 minus 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5, and an equals to how much? 253. What is the nth term formula in AP? So a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 253. So here a value 3 plus n minus 1 into d value 5 equals to 253. So n minus 1 into 5 equals to 253. 3 transpose right side minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 equals to 250. So n minus 1 equals to 250 by 5, that is 50. N minus 1. So n equals to 50. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. So 50 plus 1 is 51. Now we will find the nth term. Okay. Nth term from the end equals to, what is the formula? A plus n minus m into d. Here a value how much? A value is 3 plus, what is the value of n? 51. n is 51. Which one we will find? 20th term from the end, that is the m. So m equals to 20. M equals to 20. So 20, d value 5. So 3 plus 51 minus 20 is 31 into 5. 3 plus 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 3 plus 155 is 158. So this is the nth term. Okay, now 20th term. 20th term from the end equals to 3 plus 51 minus, here m equals to 20 into 5. So 3 plus 51 minus 20 is 31 into 5. 3 plus 31 times of 5 is 155. 3 plus 155 is 158.